today is your lucky day because I'm going to teach you how to use monotonic stack in data structures. We have given an array. We have to find the maximum length between two numbers such that first number is less than equal to second number and so is their indices. First we are going to create monotonic stack in decreasing order. We push 6 to the stack. Next number is 0 which is smaller than 6, so we push that to the stack. The rest of the numbers are greater than 0, so we ignore all of them. Now we loop in reverse order. First number is 5. Now we check the top element of the stack which is 0, and since 0 is less than equal to 5, it satisfies the condition. That means we can create the RAM. So we store this difference which is 4. Now we pop top element from the stack. Next element is 6 which is greater than 5. So we can't build the RAM. Now let me change the question. What if this value was 6? Since 0 is less than equal to 6, we won't be able to build this RAM. And then we pop the 0 from the stack and compare 6 with 6 which is equal. That means we can build the RAM with length of 5. First initialize the stack and result variable. Loop through nums and check if top of the stack is greater than current number. If it is, then push the number to the stack. And before we access the peak method, make sure stack has the value. Also, I'm pushing the index to the stack for easy calculation. Loop through array in reverse order. Check if top of the stack is less than equal to current number. Then update the result variable and pop the element from the stack. Here as well add the validation. Now simply return the result. Time and space both are linear. That's for today. Have a good day.